Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into the future to explore the most anticipated weapons of 2025. Get ready to be amazed by the cutting-edge technology and innovation that's just around the corner. We're talking next-level weapon systems, stuff straight out of a sci-fi movie. From AI-controlled drones to lasers that can take down a target in seconds, the future of warfare is looking seriously intense. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to have your mind blown as we explore the weapons that will be shaping the battlefields of tomorrow. First up, we're talking about AI-powered drones. These aren't your grandpa's remote-controlled toys. These are basically flying supercomputers with weapons. Imagine a swarm of these things, coordinating and taking out targets with pinpoint accuracy. We're talking hundreds, maybe even thousands, all working together. It's like something out of a Terminator movie, but it's real. These AI-powered drones are going to change the game completely. They can fly for hours, gather intelligence, and strike with deadly precision. It's like having an army of invisible assassins in the sky. And the craziest part? This is just the beginning. As AI technology advances, these drones will get smarter and more deadly. Wars could be fought and won without a single soldier on the battlefield. AI-powered drones are about to revolutionize warfare. Next up, we're talking about laser weapons. Forget bullets and missiles, these bad boys fire concentrated beams of pure energy. They hit targets at the speed of light, instantly taking out missiles, drones, or aircraft. Just point and shoot, and it's gone. That's the power of laser weapon systems. Incredibly precise, hitting a dime from miles away. Less collateral damage, fewer civilian casualties. Costs will drop as technology advances. Soon standard on ships and aircraft. Get ready for wars fought with light. Buckle up because we're about to enter the world of hypersonic missiles. These things are insanely fast, traveling at speeds of Mach 5, that's 5 times the speed of sound. Imagine a missile that can travel from New York to Los Angeles in under 30 minutes. That's the kind of speed we're talking about here. These missiles are so fast that they can outrun traditional defense systems, making them virtually unstoppable. And it's not just about speed. Hypersonic missiles are also highly maneuverable, making them even harder to intercept. They can zig, they can zag, they can even change course mid-flight, making them a nightmare for any defense system. The development of hypersonic missiles has sparked a global arms race, with countries like the United States, Russia, and China all vying for supremacy in this terrifying new technology. These weapons have the potential to change the entire landscape of warfare. With their incredible speed and maneuverability, they could give countries the ability to strike anywhere in the world with lightning-fast precision. It's a scary thought, but a reality we need to be prepared for. Let's talk about electromagnetic railguns, the future of naval warfare. Forget gunpowder and explosives. These bad boys use electromagnetic force to launch projectiles at mind-blowing speeds. We're talking about firing projectiles at speeds of up to Mach 7, that's 7 times the speed of sound. That's fast enough to travel from New York to London in under an hour. And it's not just about speed. Railguns can launch projectiles over incredibly long distances. We're talking hundreds of miles. Imagine a weapon that can hit a target on the other side of the country with pinpoint accuracy. That's the power of railgun technology. And because railguns don't use traditional explosives, they're much safer to operate and store. Plus, they can be reloaded much faster than conventional guns, giving them a significant advantage in combat. We're already seeing railguns being tested by the US Navy, and it's only a matter of time before they become a common sight on warships around the world. Get ready for a future where naval battles are fought with the power of electromagnetism. In the world of modern warfare, it's not just about hitting hard, it's about hitting without being seen. That's where stealth technology comes in. We're talking about aircraft, ships, and even ground vehicles that are designed to be virtually invisible to enemy radar. Imagine a fighter jet that can fly undetected right into the heart of enemy territory, delivering its payload without ever being seen. That's the advantage of stealth technology. Stealth technology works by using special materials and design techniques to absorb or deflect radar waves. It's like making an object invisible to the electronic eyes of the enemy. But stealth technology isn't just about radar invisibility. It also involves reducing an object's infrared signature, making it harder to detect by heat-seeking missiles. We're talking about a constant game of cat and mouse, with stealth technology constantly evolving to stay one step ahead of enemy detection systems. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated stealth technologies emerge, making it even harder to detect and track military assets. Now let's talk about giving soldiers a serious upgrade with exoskeleton suits. These high-tech suits are like wearable robots, giving soldiers superhuman strength and endurance. Imagine a soldier who can carry hundreds of pounds of equipment without breaking a sweat, run faster, jump higher, and even be protected from enemy fire. That's the potential of exoskeleton suits. These suits work by using a combination of sensors, actuators, and hydraulics to assist the wearer's movements. They're like having a second set of muscles augmenting human strength and stamina. But exoskeleton suits aren't just about brute force. They can also be equipped with advanced sensors and communication systems, giving soldiers increased situational awareness on the battlefield. We're talking about turning ordinary soldiers into high-tech warriors, capable of performing feats that would be impossible for an unaugmented human. As exoskeleton technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more advanced suits emerge, giving soldiers even greater capabilities on the battlefield. Let's face it, modern warfare isn't just about bombs and bullets anymore, it's also about bits and bytes. We're talking about cyber warfare, the battle for control of information and technology. Imagine a weapon that can cripple enemy infrastructure, disrupt communications, and even sabotage weapon systems, all with a few keystrokes. That's the power of cyber warfare tools. We're talking about viruses, worms, and other malicious software that can infiltrate enemy networks and wreak havoc from the inside. It's like digital espionage and sabotage all rolled into one. Cyber warfare is a new kind of battlefield, one where battles are fought in the digital realm, and the consequences can be just as real as those on a physical battlefield. As technology continues to advance, cyber warfare is only going to become more important. It's a whole new domain of warfare, and the stakes are higher than ever before. Get ready for a future where robots are fighting alongside human soldiers on the battlefield. We're talking about combat robots, autonomous machines designed to support and protect human troops in dangerous situations. Imagine a robot that can clear a building, disarm explosives, or even engage enemy combatants, all while keeping human soldiers out of harm's way. That's the potential of combat robots. These robots are equipped with advanced sensors, artificial intelligence, and a variety of weapon systems, making them formidable opponents on the battlefield. Now I know what you're thinking. Robots taking over the world, Terminator style. But don't worry, these robots are still under human control, for now, at least. But seriously, the development of combat robots raises a lot of ethical questions about the future of warfare. As these robots become more sophisticated, it's important to consider the implications of using autonomous machines in combat. Let's dive into the depths of underwater weaponry, where things get even more intense. We're talking about torpedoes that can travel at hundreds of miles per hour, unmanned submarines that can patrol vast areas of the ocean, and underwater drones that can gather intelligence and even plant mines. Imagine a torpedo that can change course underwater, outmaneuvering any defense system and striking its target with pinpoint accuracy. Or an unmanned submarine that can patrol the ocean for months at a time, silently hunting enemy ships and submarines. Underwater warfare is a whole different ballgame. It's a world of stealth, cunning, and deadly precision. And as technology continues to advance, underwater weaponry is only going to become more sophisticated and dangerous. We're talking about a new era of underwater dominance, where the fate of nations could be decided in the depths of the ocean. Get ready to blast off into the final frontier of warfare space. We're talking about space-based weapons, satellites armed with lasers, missiles, and other advanced technologies that can strike targets anywhere on Earth with incredible precision. Imagine a weapon that can be deployed anywhere in the world in minutes, striking targets with the speed of light. That's the potential of space-based weapons. But the weaponization of space is a controversial issue. Many argue that it could lead to a new arms race and increase the risk of global conflict. Despite the controversy, the development of space-based weapons is well underway. As technology continues to advance, space is likely to become an increasingly important domain for military operations. It's a whole new era of warfare, one where the battlefield is no longer confined to Earth. That's it for today's look into the future of warfare. Which of these weapons do you think will have the biggest impact? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. From AI-powered drones to laser weapons and hypersonic missiles, the future of warfare is looking more like a sci-fi movie every day. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way wars are fought, for better or for worse. It's a future full of possibilities, both exciting and terrifying. But one thing's for sure, the future of warfare is going to be anything but boring.